Hello and everyone, this is Krishna here. This is tutorial number 22. In this tutorial, I would like to show you a scale sketch. If you go to insert, operation, transformation, I done this beginner video, mirror, symmetry, translate, rotate, and these two is left us scale and offset. So this tutorial I will discuss about scale sketch. So what is a scale? A scale is nothing else to reduce or increase the size of a part or a sketch, that is called a scale. You can give 1:1 means is uh, equal earlier initial sketch, and if you want to change 1:2 it means 2:1. So it is the half, and 2:2 if you do the 2:2, so it will double of a scale. So let's start the sketch. So see, this is the previous sketch. This sketch only I will discuss. Now I will increase the zoom. Now you can find it operation menu only there is option scale option. So suppose this is our sketch, select this. Now you choose this menu and go to scale, select the scale. Now this is the duplicate mode. So duplicate mode means original part will be keep as it is. Now if you delete this, or else I will go to the first duplicate mode. Now you select do one thing, better to first select first, or else select after selecting this command you can select also, no problem. So you now I select this mode, scale mode, and I will keep duplicate mode as it is. Now I will select this part or a sketch. Now it is asking to give the center point or base point where you want to scale, which position you want to scale. Suppose I want to keep this sketch in this point. Now it is, if you do like this, so it will be increase the length or scale value, and if it go like this, so it will be decrease. So better to value is here. So if you give value scale 2.1, click OK. So now it is bigger than original value. And one more thing, this original part is keep as it is, because I have click duplicate mode. So this is the duplicate mode, and bigger than this scale. Now so this is the scale. So I'll choose one more, select the scale. Now I will unclick this duplicate. So now this original part will be deleted, and the duplicate part or copy of the part will be keep as it is. So suppose I unclick this duplicate mode, so this original part will be deleted. So now select this, I selected. Now it is asking where you want to scale. Suppose I want to scale here in this point. Now it is asking how much you want to scale. So you can give a value here, or else you can keep drag it your mouse backward and left right, drag it and push it, so the value will be increase or decrease. So based on your value requirement, suppose I'll give 4, click OK. Now here it is given the 4 of a scale of this original value is deleted because I have unchecked the mode. So that is the reason. So now again I will choose this part. I have selected previous one. Now I will select one more, select the scale and select this part. Now it is asking where you want to scale. Suppose I want to scale in this point. So now we can give a value directly, or else we can keep as it is. So I will give a value 0.1. Click OK. So now original part is deleted. Now this scale is reduced compared to original part. So this is called a scale. So I will give you final last example. So I am going to sketch like this triangle. So now you can insert from here operation, transformation and scale, or else you can select from here. And I want to keep original as it is. Now select this part. Now you give a base point. I want to keep this sketch apart in this point. Now you can give a value, or you can drag it or stretch your mouse. So it's depend on your requirement. So you can give a 0.04. Click OK. So now see, original part is keep as it is, and this duplicate part, or you can say the another part is sketch here. The scale value is changed. So this is called a scale command in operation menu in the transformation. So in the transformation, last command is left, that is called offset command. So in next video I will discuss about this offset command. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, this channels and video, please subscribe my channels and like this video. You can share this video to your friend circle, in your college, in your tuition, or if you are working in any industry or any company. So you can share with your colleague or employee, so they can understand and they can learn this basics tutorial of CATIA. Thank you for watching.